Alright, thank you for coming back, all viewers and subscribers. Today I'm going to show you a quick and fast and easy way to make $1 million. $1 million. And I'm going to show you the token to use. There's a lot of token out there that you can use. Forget about Shiba. It's not going to be Shiba. Alright? And in this video, I'm going to show you what coin you can use to make $1 million really, 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 really quick. Alright, I'm gonna give you some clue. If you think you know which kind I'm referring to, go ahead and put a comment. Put a comment in the comment section if you know what kind I'm referring to. I'm gonna show you how to make $1 million really quick and beat the crowd, beat everyone else that's trying to make $1 million from the same token. But if you think you know what kind I'm talking about, comment. Put a comment. Alright, because I'm going to show you in this video real quick how you can make a $1 million off this kind by the end of 2024. And once again, I'm not going to tell you to go buy, sell, or hold. This is going to be your own decision. You're going to decide what you want to do and do your research and make sure that you have all the information that you need before you invest, because this is risky business. All right, very risky business. So I got a coin on my screen right now that can make you $1 million easy only if you invest a small amount of money into it. I'm not gonna tell you yet which one I'm talking about. I want you to comment. I want you to put a comment. I want to see how good is your guess. Alright, so there's so many coins that are going to run, and what I want you to understand, at this moment we are in a bearish market. In a bearish market, nothing much is going on. We cannot even do daily trade because we can't find anything much to trade on that's moving really fast. When we in a bullish market, then we can do day trade because we have a lot of stuff to day trade on because they're going really fast. You understand what I'm saying? So if you think you may know what kind I'm going to tell you about, just put a quick comment for me. Now, I'm going to get right into it. The kind I'm referring to is, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to put a comment and put a like if you want to. Alright. Oh, man. Alright, 30 seconds. We down to 15 seconds so far. Alright, put your comment. Alright, now, the coin I'm referring to is at the top here, always at the top. It's gonna be this one, big, right here, Lunac. Alright, so this one is the coin, whether you believe it or not. Remember, I'm not telling you to sell, buy, or hold. I'm gonna show you how to make $1 million from this coin before anyone else. Anyone. Alright, because the goal on this coin is to get to $1. $1. Everyone want this coin to get back to $1, just $1. So you have to beat the traffic. Beat the traffic. You have to get there before them. How you gonna do that? You have to figure out how much coin you need to make $1 million before it goes to $1. So you have to make your money before it gets to $1. So let's work it out. If you buy 1 million Lunac, let me fix that for you. If you buy 1 million Lunac right now at market price, it's gonna be okay. What's going on? All right, good. Okay, so let me fix it. It's not on market price, so we'll put it to market price. If you buy 1 million Lunac at market price, it's gonna be good. $277 today. Great. So you may be saying that's a lot of money, but that's not a lot of money if you want to make $1 million. So remember, if you buy 1 million, it's $277. But in order to beat the traffic, because remember, if you buy 1 million, you're gonna have to wait until you reach $1 to have $1 million. So if you want to beat the traffic, this is what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to change this from 1 million to 4 million. All right, so you're gonna change this. Even you could even put it at say if you buy 4 million, it's gonna cost you $1,000. So right now, let's do the maths now. We're gonna try to show you how much you gotta be for you to make $1 million, and you're gonna get out right there and leave them and watch it. And if it drop, then you buy back again. Remember, you're gonna sell 100%. Don't be afraid to sell the whole thing. Once it hit your goal, take out the money. After you take out the money, watch it, give it 6 months, and put 25% of your money away. In 6 months, give it 6 months. You set a limit buy and leave it there. Say, hey, if it goes back down, buy it at this price. Now, with 4 million at $1,110, we're gonna sell it. All right. Now we're gonna go to sell, and we put in our 4 million. Good. That we purchased for $1,107. Now we're gonna sell it at 25 cents. And look how much we got down here, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is $1,100,000. Whether you believe it or not, $1,100,000. We have $110 to be exact. $110.76. So if you invest $1,100 right now in this coin, as we speaking, and give it until the end of 2024, which I think that's when the coin is going to make a bullish run and get up to 25 cents, you would be able to make $1 million before it hit $1. If you only buy 1 million, you have to wait until it goes to $1. If you buy 2 million, you wait until it goes to 50 cents. And if you buy 3 million, it goes like that. So now, if you need any more information on this, let me know. Comment once again. I hope I see some comment in the comment section, because I asked you guys to guess the coin. Once again, I'm going to make some more videos similar to this one. And just stay subscribed, and you will be up to date with what's going on. I'm going to keep tracking it. And as soon as I see some progress, I'm going to make videos and post them so you can see the progress from the day when I mentioned the coin to you, and tell you about it and give you inside details. So if you decide to buy, that's up to you. If I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or hold, that's your decision. Just do some research. You can come to Bitmart, and once you go to the coin, you can click on the Lunac. Once you open, you go down here to where it says info. You click on info, you get all the information. You see the amount that they have. So right now they have they got 6 trillion they have in the total circulation supply. So this is nothing compared to what Shiba got. This is the reason why this coin is easier for you to make $1 million more than any other coin, because the circulating supply is very low.